In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create God rays in Blender very quickly. First, create a simple room. Make a window in one of the wall and add some thickness using the solidify modifier. Next, add a camera inside the room and adjust the framing. After applying the solidify modifier, add a simple color material to the floor and wall. You can use detailed texture if you want, but for this tutorial, I am keeping everything simple. Now switch to render mode and change the render engine to cycle. Go to the world properties and change the background to sky texture. You'll notice the light is coming through the window and hitting the wall, but there is no God rays yet. Don't worry. Now add a large cube outside the room and make sure it completely covers the entire room. Switch your workspace to the shader editor, select the cube, delete the principal BSDF node and add a principal volume node. Set the density value to 0.01. Now press numpad 0 to look through the camera and you'll clearly see the God rays. You can also change the volume color to yellow or any color you like for the more cinematic look. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more fast Blender tricks.